Hello everyone, today we're going to be showing you essential controls to know in PC. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to know is the start menu. Start menu, you actually have all the programs stacked inside the start menu, and a lot of people who are not into or just casually using PC for typing documents and browsing on the internet, they usually don't notice the start menu having those programs in it. Another essential control in PC you want to know is copying. So copying, uh, it's it's from taking notes from the browser, copying a picture, basically anything you want to be copying from the computer, you can copy it um, immediately. So everything you see in the computer in the computer screen, you can absolutely copy it. So another essential control for PC is pasting. What you need to do in pasting is just press Control V. So remember what I told you before, copying is Control C and pasting is Control V. The fourth essential control that you have to know in PC is the task manager. So to open the task manager, you'll press Control Alt Delete, and task manager is where you look for those programs you just opened, and you can close it here. So I only use this more often if the program doesn't respond, and and if the program just doesn't respond and you just don't want to deal with waiting it to respond. And so the task manager is also a powerful tool to see what's going on with your PC. So if you're if you're concerned about your network and your internet connection, you can absolutely look it into the task manager. And also, if you're concerned about your hard drive or your processor speed, or is it still running, or it does it have any hidden programs that uses a lot of hard drive or processor energy. It's also one way to look into your computer if you have any computer viruses inside your computer. If you see something that is out of the ordinary, like a program that doesn't look exactly like a natural program in your computer, then you can uh, quickly search it up on the internet and look for that program, look at the name of that program and Google it, and you can see the information of what type of program is that. And if the results are more suspicious to you, then quickly you need to install an antivirus and do a complete full scan in your computer. So we're at the fifth essential control to know in PC is the select all function. So this is Control A, and to select all items anywhere on the screen, whether it be pictures and files and objects on any websites, that can be everything that can be selected on screen. So anything that you want to select or it's selectable, you can use Control A to select everything on screen. Select all is Control A. So the sixth essential control to know in PC is cutting or moving. So cutting and moving, if you just want to move a file from another folder, then this is a great way to use. It's a faster way of moving files from your folder to another folder, or to a phone, or to a drive, or even if you're typing in a document, you can move a picture um, from another document to your document, or any words and letters from any projects or documents. So to use cutting or moving is through Control X. So another essential control to know is Alt Tab. So a lot of maybe a lot of young people know this because it's essentially a basic thing. Before before I knew a lot of things like pasting, copying. I already knew Alt Tab. So Alt Tab is changing the application focus to the other application that you've opened. So basically, if you wanna switch programs that you've opened, use Alt Tab. So yeah, Alt Tab is a great way to multitask. And now the eighth central control is your left mouse click. Using your left clicker, you can drag objects to your folder. You can drag an object from your browser to your desktop and saving it. You can drag pictures from the desktop to your document. It's a much faster way of than cutting and pasting. And your left mouse is capable of selecting a lot of objects on the screen by dragging from a blank corner and dragging it all across the screen to select a lot of files, a lot of objects in your screen. The ninth is right clicking. So right clicking objects on screen, it usually shows different extra options, and also it provides some opening another link that downloads a file. It's also beneficial when you try to download an image from the internet, or opening another tab to open a link. And it's much more convenient than clicking a link and clicking a link and loading differently. And the 10th essential control to know in PC is the key Alt F4. So Alt F4 is to close programs quickly without any notice, without it's like pressing clicking the X button without even clicking it. So Alt F4 closes your program. Some programs might prompt you to save before exiting, so that's normal. When you're in a hurry, you want to shut down your computer and all that, or you want to do something, use Alt F4. So those are the 10 essential controls or shortcut controls to know in your PC. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and if you find this video helpful, click that like button. It will really help me make more videos like these for you to know more about your PC.